Hello friends, my name is Atsali. Today we learn about natural resources, their types and use. Natural resources are naturally occurring substances which are considered very valuable for survival of all living things. Our planet is gifted with a wide range of natural resources. For example, sunlight, animal, forest, minerals, etc. We have two types of natural resources. First, renewable, second, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources which can be used again and again, they are inexhaustible. We can use again and again and we get back. For example, sunlight, water, air, etc. Non-renewable resources are the resources are exhaustible. They are fixed. We cannot use again and again. Some examples of non-renewable resources: minerals, coal, petroleum, uranium, etc. Use of natural resources: wind produced to electricity, water also produced to electricity, irrigation and farming. Sunlight produced to solar energy. Some non-renewable resources cannot be used in natural form. They need to made before use, like crude oil refined and changed into petrol, diesel. Then we use petrol and diesel for vehicles. Minerals extracted from ores for use. The natural resources are gifts of nature, so we should conserve it. These are very valuable things to survive our life. We cannot live without natural source, so we cannot overuse. Conserve it. Hope you all have cleared this topic. Thank you.